The courtroom comes alive as the bailiff calls, "All rise." Judge Betty B. takes her seat calm yet commanding. The case, Laura versus Talon. A young mother, visibly nervous, steps forward. Her voice trembles as she explains, she just wants her baby back. The judge listens carefully, her face unreadable. But even in the first minute, confusion begins to surface. Laura's story isn't adding up.
Judge Van der B. Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1010, Laura versus Talon.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Ooh. You all may be seated. Let's see. Ms. Laura,
Yes, ma'am.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I'm trying to get my baby back.
Okay.
I have two babies,
Okay.
and I just had another baby with my boy. He's not my boyfriend anymore, but he hit my first baby, so Houston got to take him, and I want him back because I'm not with that boyfriend anymore.
So Houston took the baby or you lost the baby?
Either way, Houston has the baby, and I want it back.
No, it's not either way. It's you lost the baby. So did somebody intervene and take the baby away from you? And
Yes.
Laura insists she has 2 children, one taken by Houston authorities after an abusive incident with her ex. She wants that child returned. Her tone is desperate, her words tangled. The judge leans forward, trying to piece it together. Who has custody? Who's caring for which child? The answers keep shifting. Talon, the father, watches silently, his expression steady. The tension builds as the judge's patience wears thin.
Yes, ma'am. They took the baby and gave him to Houston.
Okay.
And I want him back.
Okay. And you have a new baby with your ex-boyfriend?
Not ex-boyfriend, ex-boyfriend.
So you guys are no longer together?
Correct, ma'am.
How old is this new baby?
How old's the new baby?
Yes.
Like 8 months.
And you're done with him after 8 months?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I was done with him like 10 months ago. The baby's 8 months.
Oh, okay. So before the baby was born?
Yes, ma'am.
Did he come to the birth of the child?
No, I didn't want him around.
Oh, okay. All right. So you now want to get custody back from him?
Yes, ma'am. From
Okay.
Houston.
Who does the baby live with?
Me.
The baby? No, my baby lives with me.
No, not your child. How many children do you all have between you?
Just one.
Just one. And the child lives with him,
Yes, ma'am.
and you want the baby back.
Yes, ma'am.
How long has the baby lived with you?
The baby has been
Yeah.
living the whole time.
Oh,
The confusion deepens. The judge presses Laura. You're asking for a child back who's lived with his father for 5 years? Laura nods, insisting she's changed, that she's no longer with her abusive ex. The courtroom falls quiet. The judge's voice grows firm, almost maternal. She explains that custody doesn't work like that. The court can't simply give back a child after years of stability. The weight of reality begins to sink in.
okay. And how old is this child?
5.
5. Oh. And you expect to get child support,
Yes, ma'am.
and the child has been living with him for almost, it's a boy or girl,
Boy.
his whole life?
Yes, ma'am. Well, when I get my baby back, I want child support, yeah. He makes way more money than I do. I want my baby back and I want child support.
I'm sorry, you have to excuse me because nothing you're saying is making sense right now. You came to court to ask me to give a child back to you that was taken from you, that's 5 years old, that's pretty much lived with this man the entire time that he has been taken care of.
They took my baby away because my ex-boyfriend is an abuser and I'm not with him anymore, so I want my baby back.
Right, but the child hasn't been living with you. The child has been living with him.
Talon finally speaks. Calm, direct. He's cared for the child ever since the incident. He's provided a home, food, stability. The judge turns to Laura. What do you contribute? Laura admits she only visits, unsupervised but not financially. The judge nods slowly. Her eyes narrow with understanding. She's seen this before. A parent who loves deeply but doesn't understand the law's logic.
Yeah, because of my ex, and I'm not with my ex anymore.
Yeah, so no, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. He would literally have to have given you the child back. And then you come in here, after you've been having the child for some time, then you come in here and say, Judge, I want this to be changed. I've been having the child this entire time. I want him to pay child support. That would be a little bit more reasonable. But what you're asking for today is very unreasonable.
Okay, well, give me my baby back, and then I'll come back in a while and ask for child support.
Well, I can't give you your baby back because I never took your baby. Okay? Actually, nobody really took your baby. You lost your baby for your own negligence with your ex-boyfriend. That has nothing to do with me. Okay? Now, fill me in over here. The baby was placed with you after the boyfriend hit the baby.
Yep.
And he's been living with you ever since then.
Yep.
You've been taking care of him.
Mm-hmm.
You pay for everything for the child.
Everything.
What does she do?
Then comes the turning point. The judge's voice sharpens. You're the one who's going to pay him child support. Laura's head snaps up, disbelief in her eyes. What? He makes more than I do. The judge doesn't flinch. She explains it's not about who makes more, it's about who provides daily care. The courtroom air thickens as Laura realizes the tables have turned.
I visit.
She visits unsupervised.
Okay, congratulations. Financially, what does she do?
Financially?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Oh, that's what I figured. Okay, I see what's going on here. Yeah, and I'm not about to play this game with you. You're the one that's going to pay him child support today.
What?
Yeah, you are.
He makes like 3 times as much money as I do. I have to give him my money?
It's for the child, so yes, you do. You do. But the good thing is based on your income. You'll get credit for the other child that your 8-month-old, you'll get credit for that child. But yes, you are going to pay him child support. That's just the right thing to do. It's one child between the two of you, okay? And health insurance, I'm assuming you pay it.
Yes.
How much is it?
$66 a month.
$66.
I get it
Okay.
through my employer, so.
Huh?
I get it through my employer.
Okay, gotcha.
The math begins. The judge calculates line by line. Income, insurance, credits for other dependents. Her tone is firm but fair. The numbers roll out. $489 a month. Laura shakes her head, almost whispering, I have to give him my money? The judge meets her gaze. It's for the child. There's no anger, just truth. The room falls silent.
And how much do you make a year?
$38,000.
$38,000. So I have your gross coming out to $3,200. That brings your net to $2,648.01. Giving you credit for the other child that you have. Your child support obligation comes out to $423.69 plus the $66 you're going to reimburse him for health insurance every month. So 66 added to $463.69 is $489.69.
$489.69?
Did you need me to repeat it?
I'm asking you, $489. I have to give him almost $500 a month?
Yeah, that's how it works. Did you really think that I was going to have him pay you child support?
No, I just wanted my baby.
Oh, okay. So your first answer was no. So then you understand exactly why you have to pay child support. Is there any?
The judge's words echo like a verdict of both justice and reality. Laura nods, defeated but thoughtful. There's no more argument. No shouting. Just quiet acceptance. The judge reminds both parents that this is about stability. Not revenge, not pride. It's one child between the two of you, she says, her tone softening. The case is dismissed, but the lesson lingers.
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything else?
Nope.
Okay. You all are dismissed. I just want to go over what you all witnessed in the case of Laura and Tower. In this particular case, mom wanted the child back to live with her, as it was previously. Well, because mom's situation and the abusive relationship and everything like that, the child was placed with dad. So when that happened, dad is now entitled to receive the child support benefit. Mom is no longer entitled to that, and that's pretty much how it works. Do you know of anyone who's experienced a similar situation? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and make sure you comment below. You never know, their story may end up as a scenario on our show. After all, these kids aren't raised on air alone. Support court.
As the gavel falls, the narrator's voice returns. The judge reflects on the case. A mother seeking redemption, a father who stayed consistent, and a child caught between both. She explains the law clearly. When a parent loses custody due to instability, the caregiver becomes entitled to support. It's not punishment, it's structure. It's protection for the child. Closing line. In Judge Betty's words, you don't get your child back by asking. You earn it by proving you can provide. Fade out. Support court with Judge Betty B.